Hello and welcome to Want to Step. In this channel, we post videos about all things how-tos, especially technological products which makes our life so much easier. So in this video, we're gonna show you one of those how-tos, and this time it's about how to change audio in Crunchyroll. Well, wouldn't it be nice if we can see and watch our favorite anime in our favorite or the language that we understand? So in order to get started with changing audio in Crunchyroll, all you have to do is make sure you've logged into a Crunchyroll account. You will have a home screen similar to this one. Now select any one of the anime that you want to watch. Start watching. So let's select watch in Japanese to start. So this is an ad, it seems. Let's skip this ad. So in our video, once it has started playing, just click on this gear icon at the top, and there is option audio. So if we select it, there are many other languages or audio that we can choose from, but only Japanese is in free version. So if you want to switch to other language, you might have to pay some money or subscribe to the premium version of Crunchyroll. In this way, you can have your entertainment in your own very language. Now you know how to change audio in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing audio in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.